Track 12, Part 2.
OK, now let me show you a map of the shopping centre. As you can see, there are 2 floors. On the first floor, there's a cinema where you can see some great movies. And opposite that, in a smaller area, there are lots of places to eat and drink. There are fast food restaurants as well, if you don't have time to sit and eat. All the shops are on the ground floor. The biggest shop is the supermarket. If you use the car park entrance, it's the last shop on your right. Then, all the way over on the other side of the building is the second biggest shop, Green's department store. You can get almost anything in there, including gifts, things for the kitchen, and furniture. Also on the ground floor is a pharmacy selling medicine and health and beauty products. You'll find it between the men's and women's clothes shop and the cafe. Male and female toilets are also on this floor, which is on the same side as the cafe. There's also a great bookstore selling everything you might need for school. If you're coming from the car park entrance, that's the second shop on your right, next to the sports shop. Oh, and if you need a mobile phone, that's the smallest shop in the centre, between the bank and the shoe shop. You can get all the latest mobile phones there. So, I hope you'll all visit Northfield soon and that you have a great time here.